Hey y'all, it's your girl Mone't, back with another video, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I make lip gloss step by step. So if you're interested in learning how to do this, then keep watching. First, I'm just going to start off by putting on my gloves, and then I'm going to turn on my scale. Next, I'm going to grab my TKB lip gloss base, and I'm going to add 5.5 ounces into my bowl. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my coconut oil, and then I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of that into the bowl. As you can see, I have my tablespoon, and then 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. And I really love coconut oil too for my lip glosses. That's probably one of my favorite ingredients. Next, I'm going to go on with my grapeseed oil, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil into the bowl. My next ingredient is going to be my hydrogenated polyisobutene. I think I'm saying that right, but I love this product. It makes my lip gloss really, really silky. And I'm just going to add 1/4 teaspoon of that. The 2 colors that I'm going to be using today are Perky Pink by TKB, and then I'm also going to be using the Yummy Pink by TKB. And for my flavoring oils, I'm going to be using a watermelon and a strawberry kiwi flavor by Lorraine. I'm just going to add a few drops of my watermelon flavoring oil, and then I'm going to also add a few drops of my strawberry kiwi flavoring oil. Also, all the ingredients that I'm using, I'm going to make sure I put these down in my description box as well so that you can look these up on your own. Next, I'm just going to take my Yummy Pink, and I'm just going to add about 4 drops of that, and then I'm just going to take the Perky Pink and add about 4 drops of that. You can use as many drops as you want to get whatever pink color that you're going for. Now I'm just mixing slowly and trying to get all the color mixed in. And I'm just taking my time with this. You don't want to go too fast because if you go too fast, it'll create a lot more bubbles in your gloss. So I recommend just doing a slow stir and taking your time, and eventually everything will mix in perfectly. So now that everything is mixed together, you can see now I have a nice bright pink color. It smells so good, and the consistency is everything. So next you're going to need to get yourself a syringe, and then you're also going to need to have a pipette. And you can do this part multiple different ways, but I just like to take the top off of my syringe, and then I just take my spatula and slowly pour lip gloss into the top. Next, you're going to want to grab your pipette, and then you're going to cut the top off, and then you're also going to want to cut the bottom part off too, and make sure the bottom part is pretty wide, matching up with the top. Then you're going to take your syringe and you're just going to press that on to the tip of it. Now that I got my syringe ready, I changed my gloves and I'm ready to fill my tubes. And keep in mind when you're filling your lip gloss tubes that some lip gloss tubes are going to require you to only fill your tubes to a certain level so that you can fit the topper in there and it won't pop out once you put lip gloss in. So keep that in mind, because I wasted about 10 of these lip gloss tubes because I overfilled them and they were popping out. So just make sure you fill them not all the way up so that the brush goes down in and it doesn't pop the top. I'm finally done filling my tubes, and as you can see, they are looking amazing. This is definitely one of my favorite lip glosses that I love to make, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you want to purchase these lip glosses or just show your support, follow my business page on Instagram at Mone't Love Beauty.